Hello everyone! Welcome back to the Big Fun Podcast, episode 102. Today you got me, Harry. Good evening. Got Fake Joe.
What the fuck is up, podlings?
Got Jesse. Did you say something?
Jesse, that's your cue.
Alright, whatever, fuck him. And we got Joe as well. Yeah, well, guess he didn't like speaking either. Alright.
Okay then.
Right. First topic is Fortnite.
Hey!
You guys not fucking hear that?
Hear what?
I'm munching on grapes.
How the fuck are we
No,
meant
we
to be
can't
eating
hear that,
grapes?
mate. Oh, cool. Guess what they unvaulted today?
I know.
Jesse, go guess.
Flashlight pistol.
No, it's actually the Crash Pad Junior.
Flashlight pistol.
What the fuck is that?
It was in last
Crash
season.
pad.
Season before. No, season before, yeah.
Except smaller.
Oh,
What was I gonna do?
Yeah. That was my reaction too.
I thought I'd added this back.
they should
thought-
unvault Chapter 1 OG map.
So true. I hate Chapter 5.
Oh, by the way, like...
What are you doing?
Who the fuck do you think you are?
I went on my phone and TikTok was on, so I turned it off.
Well, great.
Thanks for that.
Yeah, you're welcome. Don't want TikTok playing down the mic, do we?
No. We don't. So everyone like the Crash Pad Junior then?
It was alright, I think. You know, it was nothing too special.
Yeah, I don't give a fuck. Fuck Fortnite. Bring back OG Fortnite, please. Donald Mustard, come back. I love you.
I love you more, Donald.
You know?
No, I guess I don't then.
Yeah.
Okay. What's next then? There's a lot of topics this week, so relatable experience.
Joe's having a shit, by the way.
Okay then.
That's why he's not here.
All right. Do you want to talk to us about your relatable experience?
Okay, well, I just basically, like, yesterday, like, I had an experience and I, like, wrote it down as a topic straight away because, like, I wanted to know if it was, like, relatable. Oh, good, you're back. I was just about to talk about my relatable experience.
Yeah.
So basically, you know, like when you're in the shower
Yeah.
and you like have a runny nose,
Yeah.
so you have to like blow your hands, like blow your nose in your hands.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
What the
You know,
fuck?
like you have to do that because you're in the shower. You can't use a tissue.
No, you snot rocket it into the drain.
No, you just blow your nose.
Why you just don't do fucking either of them?
Well,
And you
basically,
wait until you get out like a normal person.
Oh, piss
Why
off,
would
Joe.
I do
Don't
that?
act like you're all fucking high and mighty. You're in the fucking shower. You're cleaning yourself anyway.
Yeah, I don't
Exactly.
I don't blow my nose into my hand. That's grim.
why? That's everyone. Everyone.
That's grim. You're gonna come out 5 minutes later, fucking squeaky clean anyway.
True.
Don't tell me. No, shut up. Shut up. In the shower, do you
Yep.
fucking rub shit all over your hands? You fucking wash your hands in the shower. No, you don't, you liar.
Well, why would I have shit on my
Who's
hands?
shitting?
What? When I said shit, I meant it as in things, not feces, not fecal matter.
Why are you shitting on your hands in the shower?
Guys, you know, like sometimes when you're in the shower, you need to shit, right?
Yeah, you get up and go to the toilet.
and you got
Oh
like,
yeah, so, like
you got
use on your hand and put it in the drain.
yeah, you know what I'm talking about. Sometimes
blowing your nose is
I like to try and
different to
throw
that.
it into the toilet. I like try and I shit into my hand and I like chuck it into the toilet. I miss sometimes, but
Fit
I
down the
actually
shower.
I take a big bowl into the toilet, into the shower with me, and then
No,
I
you
piss in
don't.
it, and then I tip it out into the sink.
into the sink. So personally, actually, what I do, I piss in the bowl, and then I pour it over my head.
All right, well,
Um,
next time you're all just
Because
taking the piss.
I've heard that it can actually because I've heard that it can actually like kill like bacteria and fungal
Wait, that's
infections
true.
and stuff. So yeah, that's why you meant to piss on your feet in the shower.
I've never tried that.
Oh, you should. Sometimes if you're like lucky, you might like accidentally like put your dick up and then piss it into your mouth, and you get a bit of flavour.
Yeah, but on
That's
a
weird.
real note, I
Okay.
actually can't blow my nose onto my hand because I will just vomit.
Why?
What?
I don't know, some snot makes me gag.
Oh well, basically, as I was saying, I blew my nose and then like the snot like fell in my pubes.
What?
See, that's what you got to do into your hands, so it don't fall anywhere else.
I just wanted to know if that was relatable.
There's no way you have pubes.
Wait, that actually might be relatable, you know.
Yeah, I do actually.
What the fuck is wrong with you? Why would you say that on a podcast, let alone fucking just to us?
To see if it's relatable or not.
It's like 2 minutes into the fucking potty too. We're like far in. Anyone that like, it's like, fuck off, Harry. Kill yourself.
Harry, go die!
Bloody really said, I snotted on my pubes, guys. Is that relatable?
I didn't say that.
I'm gonna go to the shops now.
No,
Feeling
I
a
said
rush.
that.
No, it was Harry.
Is it relatable though?
I wouldn't know, I don't have a shower.
Oh,
I wouldn't
You're
know
lying,
personally. When I shower, I just like go and take a dip in the pond.
Okay,
that's an odd way of showering.
you don't have a pond, or maybe you do actually.
I do actually.
Browse a pond.
It's like a hot tub in summer, and it's like an ice bath in winter.
Bro's got a puddle in his garden and called it a pond.
No, it's definitely a pond that has fucking amphibian life living in it. Actually, dickhead.
Is there fish in it?
Do you know what an amphibian is?
Yeah, like
No, is there
frogs.
fish in it though?
Is there pigs in it?
Who the fuck said pigs?
That's why Joe just said there's a pigs in it.
He
Fish!
said fish.
No, we don't have fish in it because we don't like fish.
Oh, what if a fish fell in there?
Then it could probably live in there, I guess.
Oh, sick.
No, it wouldn't have anything to eat.
Do you think?
It'd eat grass.
Yeah, it'd eat grass.
No, they don't
What are
fucking
you
do that.
talking about? It would eat grass. What the fuck are you talking about, Joe?
They eat fucking fish food. Like, what else would they eat?
No,
Probably grass.
So,
there isn't any fish food in the
hang
pond.
on. So
Exactly, so they eat the grass instead.
say like a bird
Oh my
drops a
God.
fish egg in your pond, it would be able to grow and live.
Sorry, what bird carries fish eggs?
All of them.
When they eat them,
Where's it gonna get a fish egg?
When they eat them, they
From
don't
its beak?
digest them or something properly.
then they shit it
Yeah,
out.
they shit it out.
That's not real.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah,
Oh.
that would never ever happen.
Or it could like get stuck to them.
Yeah, it could get stuck to their feathers.
That's seeds, mate.
That's
That's
Yeah.
fish eggs.
no, it's fish eggs.
It's fish eggs, actually, Jesse. Fucking fish eggs getting stuck to a bird,
That's how
and then,
fish eggs
and it magically somehow coincidentally falling in my pond.
In your pond.
Yeah.
Who said it was your pond?
If it's really big, then it's more likely.
Yeah, it could probably live in the pond, because I mean, if it's the right conditions
It
for
eat
the
the
fish. I
seaweed.
don't know what fish egg it's gonna get. You don't really get many random fish just living about in Hull or any city.
I love fish.
Oh yeah, true. There isn't much fish in Hull, to be fair.
No, you don't just see them swimming in puddles. They don't really do that.
Well, it is near the sea.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
No, it's near the river.
Life spreads everywhere.
True, man.
Anyway, what's your second relatable experience then?
Yo, nice profile picture, Harry.
Yeah, nice profile picture, Jesse.
You guys like my profile picture?
That is the lowest.
Why is that your profile picture?
Because it's funny.
What? Because Lois Griffin is funny.
Because he looks stupid. Massive head.
Why is her nose just like a straight triangle?
It's a cartoon.
It's a cartoon. That does not explain anything.
I was asking for it there.
Is SpongeBob's nose a triangle? No.
Oh, true, to be fair.
Well, that fucking Steven Universe? No, don't think so.
I'm just saying they can make the noses whatever shape they
Well,
like.
Jesse, it's a cartoon. It can be whatever it looks like.
It can be whatever, yeah.
It don't matter because it's not real life, Jesse.
It's the beauty of cartoons.
Oh, I love cartoons.
SpongeBob literally plays a little song on his nose.
True.
Relatable experience too.
Oh, well. After that first relatable experience, it reminded me of a different experience I had that I thought I might share.
Go on.
Was it the time where you
No, it wasn't that time, actually.
shat in your hand and rubbed it on your belly button by
No,
accident?
so basically, I was in the shower again one time, and I was like rubbing one out,
Okay. Cool.
and then like
Why are you doing this to
Why are
yourself?
you telling us this? On a potty.
it's a relatable experience.
Okay, when was this? When was this actually? How
How
recent are we talking here?
5 years ago.
Quite recent.
Because me personally, I've not fucking done that in years.
Yeah, Joe, grow up. Wanking in the shower's only for 14-year-olds.
Exactly.
So, what? I was 14 when it happened.
That's
Alright.
not recent. What are you talking about?
That's like 2 years ago.
That's not recent.
I'd say 2 years, quite recent.
Alright, just keep
Okay,
keep going the
carry
story,
on.
please.
Basically, it happened 2 months ago, and he just doesn't want to do it anymore.
Yeah.
Just,
So basically, I accidentally
Oh, just on the fucking shampoo.
No,
Shampoo
no,
bottle.
no.
What did I have to do?
I got a bit on my hand on accident.
What?
Oh
and then
no!
you, like,
No,
licked
no,
your
no,
hand
no. But
clean.
that's not it though, because then I like put my hand under the shower, but it didn't go away.
okay, put it under there for
it's-
longer.
And then I did, and then I like stuck my hand and it stayed there.
Oh wow, maybe it loves you then. I don't know.
And then I like tried to push it off, and it was hard.
Push it off.
Yeah, it does that when it's wet.
What did you jizz out a fucking stone wall? What do you mean push it off? Do you mean like
Like
rub it
off
or, like-
off my hand.
It gets sticky when it's wet.
It was hard.
Okay, fucking hard is a bit of a...
But I
Yeah,
got
I'm not ex-
cold.
Spam was getting cooked. Egg.
Boiled.
Was,
shit.
yeah, was
Stone
the shower
egg.
really hot or really cold?
Hot.
How hot? Was it like really hot?
Probably not. Normal, hot.
It was hard.
Yeah, but it was still squishy though.
Did it have like the consistency of an egg white then? Because if so, that's fucking wild. Why would you tell us this?
I was wondering if it was relatable.
Yeah, personally, no.
Has this ever happened to anyone else, or is that just me?
I don't jizz in the shower.
Relatable.
Yeah, I wouldn't do that really.
Yeah, well, like any other time.
That relatable. The relatable moment when you sneeze onto your dick and then whilst sneezing you come on your hand and then it hardens.
Right.
That's
Okay.
never happened to me.
I mean, it does get harder when it's as well, I guess.
Does it?
In the shower, it does, yeah.
Oh wow.
How do you know this?
Gets a bit stickier.
Who's fucking busting one out in the shower anyway? You're just fucking weird.
I'll think about when the last time I did it was. Just for you. Quite a while ago. Quite a while ago. Probably like 3 years ago. Yeah, probably about then.
Interesting.
Don't really do it as much these days, you know.
Yeah, alright, whatever, next topic.
Boring life. Would you rather?
Oh!
Would you rather look at those on your hand and it get in your pube, or just spaff on your hand in the shower and it become really hard?
No. That's not it.
Where are
well,
you
I'm
even
asking that
fucking
though.
reading these from?
Okay,
The
I found this.
fucking chat.
Where?
No, I
Yesterday.
found this. Would you rather on TikTok? So,
Oh, right, okay, play it to us.
Go
So
where,
would you-
lady?
would you rather every time you sneeze, an underage girl accuses you of raping her, or
Never sneeze. Easy.
every time you cough, a gay guy comes and fucks you?
Definitely the sneezing one.
What?
Why?
Well, first of all, you know, I think...
You can't control your sneezes.
Yeah, you can. What are you talking about?
You can, but like it's still gonna happen sometimes.
I'd rather have the urge to sneeze than the urge to cough, because the urge to cough is just too annoying. It just stays there. You need to cough.
Yeah, I
just
guess
when
if you get a cough, then it's
drink water, you know, if you drink water wrong, goes down the wrong way, you're coughing like 5, 6, 7 times. You know.
I have to clear my throat a lot, like.
Define fuck.
No.
Do you just stick it in me and then I can like have to fuck off?
Is it just like a one pump and dump, or is it like you know?
Yeah, sure.
One pump.
Well, that's calm
and
then.
dump.
I cough once and some gay guy puts his dick in my bum.
Yeah.
I'll take that.
Yeah, but each cough he does it like again.
Okay, I think I'd rather sneeze actually. Yeah.
And if I kept coughing over and over again, would they line up behind the first guy, or would they all try and enter me at once?
They would line up.
They would line up.
Yeah.
And
Well,
say,
actually,
Individual.
say I coughed like 4 billion times. Would the men run out?
No.
they become real.
Infinitely spawning gay
So
men.
I can spawn
Yeah,
in
exactly.
men.
No, you don't. They fuck you and go.
Well, no, because what if I managed to cough 4 billion times before the first guy didn't
You
even finish?
can't do that.
Well, what if I did?
You can't.
What if the first
Can I-
guy has got loads of meds and you know he can't? He's so fucking, you know, he just can't stop himself.
Yeah. Can I be mates with the first guy?
No.
Where do these guys come from? So is the nearest guy? Does
They
he
just show up and fuck
Wait,
you.
this is the nearest gay guy, right? Because you said it was gay guy.
They spawn
Not the
in.
nearest gay guy. It spawns in.
You just said I can't spawn in people.
Yeah, you.
So I have the ability to create
They'll
humans.
fuck you and disappear.
They'll disappear. I can make so much money off that.
You're a freak.
What?
You're a freak.
Disney.
You're gonna get fucked by men.
You're a freak.
Hey guys, check this out. Some fucking gay guy just
No
come
one's
up
gonna give
there.
a shit.
It's my power.
What an awful power.
Or you could get in the Guinness World Record book for being the guy that's accused of rape the most.
True.
I literally have you know, a power here to create souls for the pure purpose of sexual intercourse. I'd be seen as a god.
Freak.
No, you wouldn't.
Yeah, I would.
I don't think anyone's gonna see you as a god just because you can fuck.
Yeah, well, people would see me as a
Whatever.
god if I sneezed and then I got accused of rape.
No, that's way different.
You know, personally, it's a really difficult question because I've actually got a thing where like when I look at like a certain color of blue or like the sky, I have to sneeze. So, you know, it's quite a difficult one. I think I'd still pick the sneezing one. I don't want to get fucked by a man every time I cough. I cough a lot.
Yeah, I think coughing is more
Yeah.
uncontrollable.
Oh, that was a great topic! Yay!
Seagull.
Yeah.
Seagull. Sounds like seagull.
Okay, well, this one's quite interesting, to be fair. Basically, yesterday, I was on Twitter and I saw this video of this seagull.
Oh, for fuck's sake!
And it, like,
Eating
it swallowed
a
a-
squirrel.
It swallowed a squirrel whole.
What?
But the squirrel was dead.
The squirrel was
Oh.
very small and the seagull was quite big. It made sense.
No, it wasn't.
Yeah, it was. I don't know, you're plenty
Such
older
a
than me.
fucking loser. You just ruin everything.
What?
The seagull was small
and
the seagull was
This.
I,
I used a
just
fucking
fuck
blue
off.
screen.
I stop you from making up a bunch of
It's
shit.
fucking interesting.
No, it's not.
You just have to ruin it because you don't think it is.
Okay, well, it's not fucking
Fuck
interesting.
yourself. You seem to fucking hate everything today.
I think.
Which one are you gonna sneeze at?
What?
Wait, there's not one on fucking computer screen. Actually, the first one just made my nose tickle a bit.
What?
Second one doesn't do much for me. Third one's not the colour of the sky. I mean, it kind of helps if it's like the actual sky, but you know. Yeah, it's got like all the colours and shit in it. He's trying to make me sneeze. He's sending me pictures of blue.
Is it working?
No, it's not. Hey guys, it's a chilly day today, wasn't it? And yesterday.
Yeah.
In it, cold day.
Yeah. It was particularly cold and yesterday. My hands were like super ice.
I had to put my gloves on.
Big girl.
My cousin.
Yeah, I don't fucking know someone would have a go at me for putting gloves on.
Oh my god! I have a sick story.
Oh yeah, go on.
It happened to me today. I was walking to Heron with Ruben and Seb.
Yay, Seb.
This Jippo reversed into a pole,
What the hell?
and like smashed all her back tail light. So I started laughing. It was fucking hilarious. And then this is when I discovered she was a gypsy. She shouted, "Yes, you fat cunt!" in the most gypsy accent ever, and I just laughed harder at her and kept walking.
Kinda mean, you shouldn't have laughed.
Wow.
Mate, she should learn how to fucking drive, and then I might not laugh at her.
Well, she is a woman.
So Jesse, you're just a public dickhead.
What? No.
You laughed at some woman crashing a car. It's not very nice.
She was a gypsy though.
Well, maybe she should be such a retard and reverse it into a pole.
If you ever reverse into a pole, that's it. You're having it. You're on my list.
With Seb
You
laughing
won't be
too.
able to witness me driving because by the time you've turned around, I'll be in your asshole with my entire fucking car.
All right, whatever.
Sick.
Hang on. So many messages and none of them are topics. Sorry, guys. Is bug a topic?
No.
So why the fuck did you say it?
It was a topic, but I changed my mind, so it's not anymore.
BigFunPodcast.
No, it's not a topic.
Actually, it says BigFunPodcast.
Well, obviously that's based on your topic, which didn't fucking
So,
happen.
Joe, do you want to talk about
No,
that?
he's not here, so... Look, guys, Lil Nas X dropped a new song.
Okay,
Wait.
the patriarchy.
Can you sing it, please?
Can I sing it?
Yeah.
What bit should I start from? Because I don't know all the words.
The chorus.
Alright, okay. Can I get the lyrics up?
No,
We don't have time for that.
Well, hang on. What if I get it wrong?
we're in a rush.
Well, I will forgive you.
I could have looked at the lyrics by now.
Okay.
We're in a rush. Hurry up.
I don't want to sing the song.
Well, how am I supposed to know what it sounds like then?
You fucking listen. You literally I watched you watch it.
Yeah, but I don't remember anymore.
All right. Well, basically, he pretended to be Jesus, and essentially he got in trouble.
He was like, "Fuck I Spice,
No, he
I'm
wasn't.
black."
No, he wasn't. He got in trouble for pretending to be Jesus, and he was like, "No, I wasn't trying to make fun of Christianity because I was saying I was coming back like Jesus." And he was like, but then he apologized for some other stuff. So yeah.
God, who cares? Lil Nas X, you are a hero in my books.
I really like Lil Nas X. I hope he releases a new album soon so I can listen, sing along to all of them and
I
watch
would
him
be
shake his
sick.
booty.
Is he still gay?
Am I still gay? Or is he still gay?
Is he
No,
still
he's
gay?
straight now.
Yeah, he's gay.
Oh shit, my bad.
I thought he came out as straight and then was actually not lying.
Lil Nas X is gay as fuck. If you watch the new music video, he's literally dancing
Did
in
you see
cheerleader. He's dancing in
Industry
a cheerleader costume with a bunch of other men.
It's so gay and awesome and hot.
Yeah, an industry baby. I mean, he was actually fucking naked and with like 15 other guys. So
So many naked black men. Like, he's obviously gay.
Whoa, naked black men. What's Bird talking about?
Lil Nas X music video.
Oh. Oh, does that mean we skip past my topic?
what bug?
Yeah,
podcast?
Book Fun Podcast. Yeah, go ahead.
Okay, guys, we'd like to announce our new podcast channel, BigFunPodcast, where we actually talk about
We do the
books.
exact same
but-
thing, except Harry's not there.
It's the
I'd have to be
it's
there.
the exact same thing, but Harry's not there, and we talk about bugs, as in like insects and stuff, like
Ooh.
like bees and flies and shit, and we talk about them for like an hour, and we also put on clips of the Big Fun podcast where there's bugs, like #bug. So if you could go and subscribe to that, Podlings, please, that would really help us out.
That's
Thanks.
such a sick idea.
Yeah. Anyway, carry on with Lil Nas X.
No, I'm pretty much done at this point.
Alright, guys. I'd like to talk about something serious, okay? Something that I hate.
Okay, serious mode, activate.
I freaking hate the patriarchy.
Yo! Same! Ah.
Whoever invented the freaking patriarchy. I'm gonna beat you up. I just really hate the patriarchy because it's bad and it makes women sad. And
Just stop
it's just-
patriarchy.
it's just stop the patriarchy,
bro.
please. It's not fair. You know, I hate the patriarchy. I love feminism and I love feminist literature.
True, bro.
Fucking hate the patriarchy, man.
Period products should be free.
Period.
What
Yeah,
the
we should put
patriarchy?
period products in the bathroom. Put pads. Put tampons in the bathroom.
That's what I'm
Yeah,
saying.
yeah,
Please.
we should put video games in the toilet.
What?
Skibidi toilet. You know, free the nip, man. Why can men
Bro.
have their tops up, but women can't? I want to see boobs, bro. I
They
hate the
should be allowed to
patriarchy.
do that.
I just freaking hate the patriarchy. Like, what if one of my female friends, because I'm a feminist, what if one of them wanted to get a job but then they couldn't because of the patriarchy, and then they got paid less because of patriarchy, man? It just pisses me off, dog.
I lay awake at night thinking about the patriarchy.
I don't.
I just like every night for at least like 3 hours. I lay there lying and I just think, I hate the patriarchy, dog. I hate the patriarchy. I just love women and feminism.
Shout out females.
Yeah, shout out all the women podlings.
Yep. All our female listeners, hi. I bet someone just said hi back.
No.
Nobody watch this shit.
Someone will one day.
No, it's fucking Universe 1 first.
I might watch it in a few months' time.
You won't.
There's too many to pick from.
I
Honestly,
might.
you won't.
I might.
Right. What is new backy hashtag?
Oh, well, you know how the Big Fun Podcast rebranded and we have different backgrounds now?
Yeah.
I made a new one.
Oh, nice.
Wait.
We'll use that next time then.
Give me a sec.
Yeah, whilst he does that, guys, please go watch my new Clash Royale video if you're watching the Big Fun Podcast right now. Even though nobody's watching. But I uploaded another one. So yeah. And also like this video. Cheers, lads.
Cheers, lads.
Well, I can't find it.
Oh shit, you know, it's alright, we can always just reveal next week, you know?
No, it's really cool.
Well, I'm sure I can wait.
No, I found it.
Alright then. Did you actually find it?
Oh, yeah, here we go. Check this out.
Checking. It's because I'm gonna kill Harry.
So,
Breaking Bad spoilers, brother.
spoiler alert!
I think we should use that for an episode.
Yes, that is the plan.
True.
That's fucking great.
I like Mike, so...
Anyone else think I should get a weave?
What?
A fucking...
What?
A weave.
Weave?
A we?
What's that?
Google a weave.
Why can't you
I don't
tell us
want
what
to.
it is?
Jesus
what one it
Christ, fucking tell me.
Hard to explain.
Alright.
Freaking heck! I'm gonna Google it up.
Google weave. What?
Okay, I don't know if I've like spelled it wrong.
Form
What am I
Formed
supposed to
by-
be looking at?
interlacing long threads passing in one direction with others at a right angle to them.
Is
It's
it a
all-
hair? Is it a hair thing?
Search weave hairstyle.
It's all girls.
You get it.
Oh, you are bent, Jesse.
You're a puff.
It's just black guys.
I'm no right. I'm just seeing like
Weird.
black girls with like every different hairstyle on the planet. Like none of them are the same thing.
Lots of black females.
30 weave hairstyles. What the fuck? What? I'm just confused, man.
Yeah, you should get a weave, Jesse.
Yeah, you should do it, puff.
Be you.
Yeah, be you. Don't let anyone tell you not to.
Go, Jesse. Be gay.
Good, Jesse.
LGBTQ. I love you.
LGBTQ, I love you.
Show my support for the gays.
Okay.
Proud of you.
Hmm?
Okay.
Yep, so that's Weaves, guys.
Yeah, leave a comment if you think Jesse should get a weave.
Yeah. No one's gonna. No one's gonna. Oh, I've got an idea for the Ultimate Survivor guys at the end now. Actually.
Oh,
Yeah. Guys, I'd like to
wait.
bring something to your attention.
Oh yeah.
I've noticed something.
What?
sad to say. Bundelangers have been voted.
What?
No, they haven't.
Bundelangers have been voted. I can't
What
remember
does
when the
that
last
even
time
mean?
I saw a Bundelanger.
I reckon I saw a bundling today.
I think they've all been voted. It's so sad. I just think the Bundelangers have been voted.
They
Alright.
probably haven't.
It just
Don't
makes me
really
really
see them
sad.
much.
If you go
I
to school and
They've
look
been
around,
voted.
you'll see a bundling.
Yeah, it's just the same.
I haven't, Harry. I've not been seeing any Bundelangers, man.
It's just not looking properly then.
I've been seeing Bunders. I've been seeing Langers. I've not been seeing any Bundelangers, though.
Unlucky.
Yeah.
But I've got some suggestions for what should be voted and unvoted. So
Yeah, like
I think
racism.
bundle-
All that.
racism, vote that, and the patriarchy. I think we should unvote Bundelangers. I think we need to vote all millennials. Just don't like them. I think we need to vote like the gay people that are like Marco. I think
Vote.
they need to be voted.
Vote Marco.
Vote gay
Vote
people.
Marco.
Can we please unvolt Harry's humour because it's been dry for a while.
Yeah, what
Rude
else then,
that.
Joe?
It's just a bit rude, that mate. Honestly.
I think we should vote people who have ginger hair.
Vote all gingers. I'm up for that.
I think we should vote people whose name begins with J.
That's a shit idea.
No, it's really good. Fuck all of you.
What about Johnny Sins?
Oh, okay. Well, I guess Johnny Sins can live.
What about John Old Mustard?
Can we please unvote Jesse's humour?
John Old Mustard. John Old Mustard.
Go Team Grimace Shake.
Hey, true, man.
Stop trying to get them back on your side.
Let's vote. Let's vote Team Nonce.
Yeah, that's a weird team name.
You guys are all part of it, so I don't know why you're saying you want to vote it.
What?
No, I'm
I'm
not.
not part of Team Nonce. What are
Yeah,
you
you
talking
are.
None of us are part of
No.
it.
You're all part of it. What are you talking about?
No, I'm already in Team Grimace Shake, so leave me alone. please.
No. You're in Team Nonce.
Yeah, leave me alone.
I reckon you said you were a nonce before you said you were Grimace Shake.
What? I'm Team Grimace Shake.
Exactly.
What do you mean exactly?
You have always been a nonce team member.
Oh, I haven't.
You've definitely said you're a nonce before. Okay? Probably
Yeah,
before
maybe
last
I
year.
have on accident,
On accident. I reckon you said it more than once.
but you know that doesn't make me part of Team Nonce. You know, I've also said that I'm white. Am I on Team White?
I guess
No.
so, yeah, you are.
No, I'm on Team Grimace Shake.
Well, you're part of Team Nonce, mate, so there's nothing you can do about it.
Okay, fine. I'm black.
What?
Say the
No, you're
N-word.
not.
Am I on Team Black now?
I mean, I don't know. I'm not fucking black. I can't accept you in.
Oh, okay, but you are a nonce, so you can't accept me in.
Yeah, I'm literally the leader of Team Nonce. What are you talking about?
Alright, but we aren't Grimace Shakes, but we invite all Grimaces.
For real?
The Grimace Shake group.
Alright. Oh, I'm in Team Nonce, and you guys all are as well, so.
I'm not
All
on Team
Grimaces
Nonce.
are welcome.
Team Nonce.
Only the best of Grimace is
Oh,
allowed in this game.
please, let me in. Please.
If you can answer this riddle, then you can get in. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
What's dry and rotting?
I've got my guess.
What's dry and rotting?
Yeah.
Probably Harry's social skills and sense of humor.
Correct.
Oh, let's go.
Yeah, am I Team Grimshake? Please.
Welcome to the team.
Okay. I suppose you can join.
Yay!
That was a little role play for you podlings.
Can I ask a question, please?
Yeah.
What have I done wrong?
No.
Why do you all hate me?
I don't believe that.
Why
It's the correct
specifically,
answer.
during this 1 hour, do you all hate
Riddle.
me? You're fucking lovely. You're lovely to me every other time, ever.
Carry your Hank Schrader.
One day a week, 1 hour a week. You all just fucking turn evil against me. And you all hate me. And I get bullied.
Yeah, you should be glad it's only 1 hour.
It's because we have to pretend to like you the rest of the week.
You're all like, oh, why do you not want to do the potty, Harry? Why do you hate the potty? This is fucking why I hate the potty.
No, it's not.
I'm getting ganged up on all the time.
Boo hoo.
I think we should. Boo hoo. Piss off.
Top 10 Sigma moments.
Alright, list them out.
Just snot on his pubes. Number 10. Number 9. Busting one out in the shower and it goes hard. Number 8. Fucking when Joe Woolen said, "Fuck you, Harry," I said,
Alright,
"I
I've
love
had
you a
enough of
lot."
this now. Have we done new Becky yet?
Oh, that was a great moment.
That was W Sigma moment.
Wait, repeat
That was
last
actually
one.
Sigma.
I wasn't listening.
Fuck you, Harry.
Oh well, you missed out.
I said, I love you a lot.
Oh. Right.
Sigma.
That was actually like clean as shit when I did that.
That was
Yeah, you
That's like
told
one of my
me.
proudest
definitely
moments.
top 10 Sigma moment. One of your proudest moments.
Never let them know your next move. That's had to be Sigma.
Why is it one of your top 10 proudest moments?
Well, it's just cool, wasn't it? Like I managed to,
You managed to what?
like play it off, didn't
Yeah, I guess you kinda did.
I? I mean, I did.
Cool. Harry didn't suspect a thing.
No. I was close.
Everyone's care cup is empty.
Alright.
Okay.
What?
Look at you then.
Are we done?
What? No, I'm on the
Big.
BigFunPodcast TikTok.
Yeah,
Oh.
okay. Have we
Oh,
done...
Bruce just looking through them.
Have we done new Becky yet?
Yeah, that was the background.
Oh, yeah. I was trying to remember what that meant. Alright. New vaulted items.
We've done that.
We did
just
that already.
Fuck Harry!
Well,
Fuck
that was
Harry.
a topic. I just saw that, and someone put that in here, and then they deleted it, so I just decided to re-put it in case anyone.
Hey guys, what's everyone's favorite teachers?
Favorite teacher?
Yeah.
Like, of all time.
Whatever.
Mr. Cook.
Yeah. Pretty much. The goat.
Mr.
Probably Mr. Cook.
Fuck off.
Sorry.
You don't know him. You never will.
No, I don't know him actually. Must be cool though.
Yeah, he was.
Let me tell you this. Perfect. I can't be bothered to do the whole thing.
Homelander.
Tell us about Chansey Community there, Joe.
Oh boy, guys, have you heard what next month's community day is?
Yeah, I have actually.
I have actually, yeah.
Well, I'll tell you. It's Chansey.
Why the fuck is it Chansey?
What the fuck are they thinking? Picking Chansey.
Mm-hmm.
This is by far the worst community day Pokemon they've ever
Not
picked.
even Happiny.
That'll probably be like in eggs, but who gives a fuck? You won't hatch one. You know, back in 2021, they did Roselia Community Day. And I thought that was, like, really terrible. And here they are in 2024, picking Chansey. Whoever's in charge over there at Niantic, they actually should get fired, and I mean that.
It's okay. It's okay, Joe. Don't worry.
Fuck you.
Could be worse. It could be worse.
No, it couldn't.
It could.
The only thing that could be worse would be like a Pokemon that doesn't evolve.
Yeah, see? Could be so much
Yeah.
worse.
But they would never do that.
Look on the bright side.
There
Yeah,
isn't
I
a
think
fucking bright
we
side.
could get fucking.
They could do Skarmory Community Day.
I
That'd
don't
be
know, better
worse.
than Chansey actually.
Yeah, look, literally everyone fucking has Shiny Chansey anyway, and it's not even useful or good
No,
ever.
I don't. Wesley doesn't.
Shut the fuck up.
Bet you don't, Jesse, do you?
You don't play the game.
Yeah, but
What you want-
I have years of experience, so.
Oh,
Well, I do.
You know what's right around the corner from Chansey Community Day?
The shops.
What?
That's so bad.
No, the Easter event is. And you know what spawns in the Easter event?
The shops.
Blabbit.
No, it's Chansey actually.
I can't
So
wait
why
to get a
the
shiny
fuck would they
Chansey
do a
during
Chansey
Easter.
Community Day?
Do I have a shiny Chansey? Yeah,
Probably,
I've got a shiny
because
Chansey.
everyone
I'm pretty sure I've
fucking
got a
does.
shiny Happiny too, actually. Hold on. Yeah, I've got a shiny Happiny too.
That's because Chansey is a permanently boosted shiny.
Yeah, I know. I love that actually.
Yeah, so why the
Why
fuck would
they-
do it?
Yeah, actually, that's a good point. Why are they giving a permanently boosted shiny community there?
That's like giving fucking Onyx a community day. No one.
I
needs shiny.
prefer Onyx. I'd prefer Onyx community there.
I mean, Onyx is a cooler Pokemon.
At least
Well-
Steelix can like Mega Evolve.
Yeah, actually, Onyx would be way better.
Technically, it's got 3 evolutions.
Yeah, not really.
Technically.
Also,
Well,
fuck Niantic. I
that's
can't evolve
not-
Stantler.
Can't evolve your what?
Stantler.
Can you not?
No, you can't evolve Stantler.
That's a bit dumb.
Yeah, it's because
Like
they're
that.
money-hungry pricks,
You're in Lidl.
and they make
So they're
you.
only
They make you
fancies.
do. Can you shut the fuck up, Harry?
Yeah, they're only fancies.
Going little.
Fanta, yeah. No.
Guy's such a dickhead.
And they Fanta.
Oh, right.
I love Fenty.
They don't have Fantas.
Oh shit! You might as well kill yourself.
Please do.
I'd like Fantas, yeah, and also we need more shampoo.
Just use your own poo.
Why are you giving us a shopping list?
Ain't no way, bro. Literally giving a house shopping list.
There's one on the top, and there's one in the thing, there's one on the side, yeah.
Oh, is it?
That's what I said. That's what I said the other day, Harry.
I thought that one was like being used like ages ago and just no one ever tipped out. I thought you were just
No.
yapping stuff.
No. I haven't used the shampoo today, so I don't know if Mum's just being a bit. Mum's got one in her room as well. Okay.
Oh, okay, sick. We're stacked then.
Whoever does not use shampoo.
Fancy, you can have some freeway orangeade zero.
No, but I'd rather die. So.
Gross.
Okay. Oh, found a pack.
Yeah, I'll take that.
Okay, yeah.
All right, cheers.
Okay.
More laughs at a funeral.
Yeah, okay, Fred.
Sorry about that. Had a cough.
Fairs.
I can't cough, otherwise I'll get fucked by some gay guys.
Yeah, well, at least you don't get accused of rape.
What can we call this one? We need to like clickbait it somehow. I reckon. Probably. Kai Cenat does what every time you cough?
Just call it, Kai Cenat Riz compilation.
That's a use. Just do your magic.
Hold up, let me Google what's trending.
How about from now on you guys do the titles and the thumbnails, and just because I never really know what to do.
Yeah, Joe, you can do the thumbnails and I'll do the titles. And then Woolen can help me do the titles.
Hell yeah.
Oh, okay.
We should call this one Mr. Beast Game Tunes All-Time Chess YouTube.
Oh,
Okay,
we
you
should
know
call
what,
it
that's a
that.
shit idea. We're not calling it that. I'm taking charge again. Sorry.
No, we're not. We're obviously not fucking calling it that.
He was joking!
Mr. Beast coughing challenge.
Mr. Beast Riz challenge.
Can we call it Mason Blocks Fruits Mr. Beast Game Tunes All-Time Chess YouTube Coco Melon Lanky Box Ice Spice TikTok compilation, please?
Ice Spice TikTok compilation. Can we call it that?
Can we call it PBD Podcast?
Wait, I have a really good idea.
Okay.
Oh, yeah?
Go
I've
on.
got a question actually.
Yeah.
What's everyone's favorite type of wood?
Hey, that's my fucking question, dickhead.
Don't steal questions, please.
Hey guys, what's everyone's favorite type of wood?
Mahogany.
Oh, well, Harry, I'll tell you. My
Alright,
favorite
let's
type of wood is probably the warped planks.
Mine's probably spruce.
Birch for me.
Bruce is solid. That just shit.
Fucking birch. This is why none of us like you.
I like a sycamore tree.
I quite like the red nether one, but I also quite like the mahogany. I like cherry, but I can't say that because that'd be gay.
Kinda, yeah.
Yeah. I'll go with mahogany.
Mahogany.
Yeah.
You know what we should call it?
Oh, dig on.
TikTok compilation.
Mason Blocks Fruits.
You already said that.
No. Mason Blocks Fruits. Deep fake AI Panda by Hall. YouTube
You're saying
dropshipping.
random words.
Ice
Mr.
Spice
Beast
TikTok
Panda
compilation.
by Hall cough challenge.
Mr. Beast Ice Spice TikTok Mason Riz compilation.
I reckon we need to put Mr. Beast in the title.
Fruit block.
Mr. Beast is definitely a keeper.
Yeah.
But
Mr.
Blocks
Beast does
Fruits-
what every time you cough?
Blocks Fruits.
Challenge?
Mr. Beast
Blocks Fruits has a very
man
high
when he
search
coughs.
for-
I don't want to put fucking blocks fruits in it.
What's
Mr.
everyone's
Beast
favorite
eats blocks
flavor of
fruits.
Blocks Fruits?
I don't know what the fuck that is.
I don't recommend playing blocks fruits. It's not
It's
very
probably
good.
orange. That's my flavour.
Hang on, let me search what the fuck this is.
It's a Roblox game.
It's Roblox of
It's a Roblox anime game.
blocks. Ugh, I don't want that.
Oh.
That's like-
Ugh. Can we call it Mr. Beast Fruits?
How about
Mr. Beast
Riz
cough
of
fruit
Ice
challenge.
Spice?
How about Mr. Beast Riz's Ice Spice with Kai Cenat, and then they
Yeah, that's good.
Mr. Beast.
Compilation.
Mr. Beast blocks fruit challenge. There we go.
Yeah, so many great ideas there.
Anyway, guys, what do you think about history?
Oh,
I'll tell you what I think. I fucking hate history. It's so useless and boring. Like, I don't give a shit.
good thing I didn't pick history.
Use the past to help.
Man, use the
the
best to
future.
figure out. I don't care. I don't care,
He
honestly.
doesn't care.
I don't care. I just care about what's happening right now.
True, man.
Yeah, but then you can compare that to things that have already happened.
Oh no.
Who the fuck has been watching Mr. Beast on the fucking podcast account?
Not me.
Starbuck Moonlight Fields.
I was looking at the watch history the other day. And there was a
I
bunch of
actually
anime
forgot
stuff.
that I was on the account one time.
Who's been listening to fucking Wilbur Urine?
What's that?
That's your thing, mate.
We know that's you.
What is a Wilbur Urine?
That's not fucking me.
That is a you thing. That's why you listen to Wilbur Soot.
No, I don't. I used to when I was in my
love Wilbur
fucking like
Soot.
14 years old weirdo era.
I was talking about Wilbur Soot the other day to Daniel and
Oh my! Wait. Oh, it's got stuff from like. Oh my Christ! I didn't realize I was like in the account at some points.
Ashton watches queso.
How do I like look at the whole history? Why is it just like limited?
Ashton watches queso got 55
Huh.
views.
Okay, so keyword.
We should call this one Queso Riz's Ice Spice Gyat
Yeah, that's good.
with,
Right there.
with Mr. Beast compilation.
Yeah, except we get rid of Mr. Beast.
No, we need Mr. Beast.
all
No, but he
backy
doesn't
anime
riz up
so
that.
scare scenes plus all pissing scenes.
What?
1st of January.
What the fuck?
That actually wasn't me.
Okay, Joe.
That wasn't me.
Yeah,
Even that's
wasn't
anime.
What the fuck is this?
The fuck else? It's what is me?
Link to site figure.
Okay, that was me, obviously.
Oh, obviously him.
All backy anime sus gay scenes.
That
What? Fortnite get gritty 10 hours.
Hold
No.
on, let's get a load of
Okay,
this.
okay, right. There are that could have been me, right?
That was
Because on January 1st, there's a period in the morning from like 3 to 6 that I remember nothing that happened. So I may have drunkenly done that, but I doubt it.
Why'd you do that?
I don't think I did.
Both gay scenes. Both all kissing scenes.
To be fair, Joe Dyer is the type of guy to search his sus gay into the YouTube search.
That
And
was not me,
pissing,
buddy.
and pissing.
Why would I be searching
I'm not-
gay scenes and pissing?
I'm gonna watch this now.
Yeah, I'm gonna watch all of this.
I'm not actually. You've already watched it, mate. Shut up.
This series is so hot. Bisexual dreams.
Christ.
Alright, are there any more topics? Because we've only got 1 minute left. I don't think there is.
Mr. Beast.
Alright, yeah, we've been figuring out the title for the last 10 minutes. Let's just give it a
Mr.
Hey
Beast.
guys. if
Hey,
you've got
hey
this stuff-
guys! Mr. Beast told me the other day that him and Queso were trying to riz Ice Spice's gyat.
Oh
Alright.
shit.
Okay.
Well, thanks everybody.
Oh, what was
for
I
watching
thinking?
this
What was I thinking for
episode
this fucking Survivor?
of the Big
I don't know.
Podcast. Make
Probably
sure
like-
to go comment
Comment.
Yeah, Survivor.
Oh, yes, you Survivor.
Yeah, sure, comment that. We love you all very, very much, and
Thanks, Podlings.
my see you later, guys.
Yeah, true.
Goodbye.
Comment, cough, fuck, Survivor.